Welcome, today in front of me TOSCIDO M863 and I'll show you how to customize always on display feature on this device. So let's first open the Muviz search application. Here we have selected now this stem. We can switch it to another one, for example to this one. Just click here to apply the stem. We can change the backgrounds of each of the stem. For example, we can select this one. Just click here to apply. We can hide the music controls. Here after 30 seconds we can switch this time from 2 seconds just to never. We can also turn on or turn off the to show the notification on AD feature. Also we can use to show the date on the lock screen and the battery status always while device charging and just to don't show it. Also we can go here to the settings section and tap to the always on display. So now just here we can also change the screen lock, shown time or the always on display on screen lock always while device charging and when we'll play the music. Also we can use these two features just separately, or also we can switch it to the always. We can here decrease or increase the screen timeout. We can increase the brightness level, and also we can close the AD feature by double or single tap on the lock screen. And if you wanna, we can set here the shadow of the start and the end time of the always on display on our device. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.